What if I told you that the healthiest lunch isn't a salad? In fact, many popular lunch salads contain more calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats than a burger. So what actually makes a healthy lunch? Today, we're breaking down the healthiest lunch ideas and the key ingredients that help keep you energized, satisfied, and productive throughout the afternoon. One lunch is packed with protein, one is loaded with fiber, and one may be the easiest healthy lunch you can make. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what every healthy lunch should contain. A balanced lunch usually includes three things: protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Protein helps keep you full. Fiber supports digestion and helps control hunger. And healthy fats can help provide lasting energy. When you combine all three, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks later. Now let's look at one of the healthiest lunches: grilled chicken with vegetables. Simple? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Chicken provides high-quality protein, while vegetables deliver fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Add broccoli, carrots, peppers, or mixed greens, and you've got a nutrient-dense meal that keeps you satisfied for hours. Next up, salmon and vegetables. Many nutrition experts consider salmon one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It's rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. Pair salmon with roasted vegetables or a side salad, and you have an incredibly balanced lunch. Now let's talk about grain bowls. These have become popular for a reason. A healthy grain bowl might include brown rice, quinoa, grilled chicken, black beans, avocado, and vegetables. This combination provides protein, fiber, healthy fats, and slow-digesting carbohydrates. The result is steady energy instead of the afternoon crash many people experience. Here's another excellent option: turkey and avocado wraps. Using a whole grain wrap, lean turkey, vegetables, and avocado creates a portable lunch that's both filling and nutritious. It's also perfect for work, school, or busy schedules. Now let's discuss one of the most underrated healthy lunches: soup. Especially vegetable-based soups with beans, lentils, or lean protein. These meals are often high in fiber and nutrients while remaining surprisingly low in calories. A bowl of lentil soup can be incredibly satisfying and budget-friendly. Now here's where many people make mistakes. Lunches built around highly processed foods. Fast food burgers, chips, sugary drinks, and heavily processed snacks may provide quick satisfaction, but they're often low in nutrients and can leave you feeling sluggish. The same goes for many frozen convenience meals, loaded with sodium and additives. So what is the healthiest lunch overall? For most people, a meal centered around lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats is hard to beat. Think grilled chicken, salmon, turkey, beans, lentils, avocado, and plenty of colorful vegetables. The exact meal doesn't matter as much as the balance. Because the healthiest lunch isn't necessarily the trendiest one. It's the one that provides lasting energy, supports your health goals, and keeps you feeling your best throughout the day. And sometimes, the simplest lunches are the healthiest of all. You have not enough humanizer words left. Upgrade your surfer plan.